Nice Jebby. He's so gentle. He's just gentle Jebby. Very nice, Quinn. You looking at his feet? Look at his feet. Yeah, his little feet. He's got little feet, and you've got little feet. Oh. Where's Jebby's nose? There's his little tongue. Don't put your finger in there. You put your finger in his mouth. Now he thinks it's a treat. But he doesn't bite hard. He's a gentle Jeb. You're a good boy. You want to play, Jebby? You want to play a little? Play? You want to play with him, Quinn? Here, show him. Show him how to play nice. Oh, good girl, Quinn. You want to give him this? Here, give him this baby. That's nice. Oh, so cute. Give it back to him. That's Jebby's toy. Give it to him, Quinny. Yeah, that's Jeb's. Here you go, Jeb. Here you go. Here you go. So nice. Oh. Oh, is he licking your hand? What a nice boy. Nice boy. You can give him a kiss? You can give him a little kiss? Oh, you want his toys. That's your toy. What's this doing with the baby, with the puppy toy? You gonna let him play with it? He won't hurt it. That's your toy, though. You're very sweet, Quinn. You love your puppy. That's Jebby's, Quinn. Give it back to him. That's Jebby's. This is Jeb's.